What's up, everybody? It is Kevin, and I'm back with a new video. If you like the channel and what you see here in a couple of minutes, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell, because this is my second channel. It's all about my car, specifically my truck, and I'll have some videos about my Camaro here in the near future. But it's just something I love to do. I know the video qualities might not be the most amazing, but most importantly, they're just fun. And you can see here I'm wearing my mask, and that's because I'm in line waiting for the grocery pickup at Kroger. And we are going to actually be getting groceries. But while I'm waiting here, I thought I'd show you something really cool. My engine oil light actually has been popping on every time I start and turn off the car, right? So every time I start the car, it's like, change engine oil soon, change engine oil soon. So we need to change the engine oil soon. I'm gonna start the truck up. And there it is. Oh, and I've got that windshield fluid level low still. I should do that. So here we go. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna hit OK. And what you're gonna do to reset your oil life is when you get into your menu, you're going to back all the way to the menu using your little buttons on your steering wheel. You're gonna come down to the settings. Now you have to be in park to do this, otherwise you can't access the advanced settings. So you're gonna hit OK, you're gonna go to vehicle, and then your oil life reset. Let's see where we're at. Yikes, 5%. So at this point, all you're gonna do is hold down the OK button, and then you're going to reset it, and it gives you 100% oil life. Now, I'm not gonna reset the oil life right now. We're actually going on a trip tomorrow. We're gonna be putting about 1,000 miles on the truck. I wanna see how many miles it takes for this to go to zero and tells me you need an oil change. And my biggest thing is the car gonna be like, give me a message like, oil change on truck, do it now or it will self-destruct. So I wanna see what happens when we actually get to 0% on the oil change. So that's kind of where we're at with it. Hope that video is helpful. Super simple, super easy to do. Literally takes 2 or 3 minutes. So if you're doing your oil change yourself, make sure you hit that reset button on your oil life so that you get your entire 100% oil life. And most importantly, you don't get that little irritating change oil engine soon light every time you turn on your truck. All right, guys, make sure you like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Most importantly, stay safe, have fun, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.